Hello guys, if you are trying to create your Amazon affiliate account and you are based in Asia and you are not receiving the OTP or one-time password, then you are in the right place. Today I will show you how can you create your Amazon associate account without the OTP or one-time password. I faced the same issue when I tried to create Amazon affiliate marketing account, and I almost tried 3 months and I was unable. Even I changed my phone number and phone, or also I tried from Malaysia, Thailand, because there my some friends lives and I thought it could be my location, but I also see they are not sending the OTP to Malaysia, Thailand as well. So how I was able to create my account, and here you see I already set up my account, and also I have earned around 1166 for last few months. So I will show you the straightforward process how can you create your Amazon associate account without the OTP. So stay with me. So when you go the Amazon associate page for sign up, if you click here and click create your account, they will request some information like your name, email and password, and then next page they will ask you your phone number or one OTP for one time password to verify your account. But the verification code will never reach to your phone number if you are based in Asia, because I have tried many times to create this account but I was unable to create my account. So however, make sure this is the page when you create your account, they will require a one-time password. This is affiliate-program.amazon.com, but I am showing you here how I was able to create my account without the OTP. So you have to first go amazon.com. This is their original e-commerce website. So you have to create your account to amazon.com, not in the affiliate hyphen program.amazon.com. okay, so keep it in your mind. Then when you come this website, here you see Amazon Stripe. That's mean my account already set up in here, that's why it is showing site Stripe. So in your case you won't see like this, so you have to set up your account, then they will show you the Amazon associate bar here. Okay, to create your Amazon account, you only need your email address and password. Here you don't need to OTP to verify your account. Okay, then you have to go account, click on that after set up your account. When you appear the login and security page, you have to work on that called two-step verification. Okay, to set up your account you will need a apps called Google Authenticator or other similar type apps. Microsoft has also same apps, so you will need to install a apps to your phone. So if you are Android user, you just go Play Store, or you are iPhone user, then go iOS Store to download this app. Okay, so after come into step verification, you have to enable the option. Okay, for that you have to click on here, you see add new app. Okay, and this time you have to scan this barcode through your Google Authenticator apps or other apps you are using. So once you are done the process, and they will send you a OTP and you can verify here, so you are good to go. Okay, so this was the straightforward process. Once you verified through your apps, so next OTP you will receive through these apps called Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So you are good to go to set up your Amazon affiliate account from now. So for that you have to go in amazon.com again, and you have to go the bottom and click on here, you see become an affiliate. Okay, click on that, and you will see the interface, the Amazon Associate option, and then you have to just go your account setting and give the all information required, and if they requested OTP they will send through your apps. So one important things, you have to make sure you are not uninstall your authenticator apps from your phone when the two-step verification are enabled. So make sure if you are want to uninstall your authenticator apps, you are disable the option, because if you don't disable the options, then you can face a real trouble and you have to reach out to Amazon support for the verification. This is the way how I was able to create my account, and I was able to earn 1166 from my Amazon affiliate marketing. If you find this video helpful, then just thumbs up and like, comment and share, and thanks for watching.